Shoot him. Good morning. Well, this is not something we're used to seeing. We had about a 4-inch snowfall last night here in North Carolina, and we're going hunting this morning. There's no ice on the road. It looked to just be snow, so we're gonna hop on the road. Hopefully it's not too bad, and we've got about a 2-hour drive, but we're gonna try to kill some ducks this morning. Let's go get them. Here we go. Good 3 inches of snow, and looks like a deer crossed the driveway last night. Oh yeah, this is just good old-fashioned snow. No ice. Knock on wood, we won't have a problem. When you're following the snow plow, you should be duck hunting. Thanks, DOT. You know he's thinking, what in the heck is that guy doing? 3 o'clock in the morning with a boat behind him. What would have been normally an hour-and-a-half trip ended up being a 2-hour trip. Couldn't go much over 45 the whole way here. May have hit 50 one time on the big interstate, but it was definitely frozen. A lot of snow on the ground. But there's less down here where we are, so hopefully you don't have any problems today. But got about a 5-mile boat ride and maybe kill some divers. You're ready, I'm ready. Oh, mercy. Shoot him. Shoot him. That was a real duck. GoPro's on. GoPro's on. A little surprised they didn't pitch in to those buffleheads. Did they land? Well, it's been pretty slow first thing this morning. Had a pair of ringnecks come through and buzz us at first light. And they had a merganser come in and decoy. I don't think I got that shot on film. So I killed a Drake merganser, and a group of big divers just got up and worked the lake and came and went right through the decoys perfect. And I have killed one. I don't know if it's a bluebill or what it is. Had a lot of white on it. I think it's a bluebill. I'm gonna go pick it up and see what it is. Trying to pick up ducks. And another group of divers has worked the lake, and then another group of 3 buffleheads. They go 3 more. So I'm trying not to mess up the hunt with my buddy over there. It is a bluebill. It's a bluebill. Nice. Good old sculp. That's what we came here for, big divers. That's all right. Oh. Beautiful merganser. We normally don't shoot these too much. He's beautiful.